Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. So today's section I am going to solve the third main in an AP. Look at the first question. Given A equal to 5 and D is 3 and AN is 50, find N and Sn. So here they given first term and a common difference and a nth term, AN term, and we want to find out here N and Sn. Sn means the sum of nth term. Is it clear? So let me solve here. Given that first term they given, that is A equal to 5 and a common difference D is 3 and AN is 50, and they asked here find the N and Sn. So as we know the formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here we have AN value, so substitute, that is AN is 50 and A value, that is 5, plus N we don't know, keep as it is, and common difference also they given, that is 3. So here the missing term is N, so we can find out easily, right? So here 50 as it is, this 5 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus, and this equal to N minus 1 into 3 as it is. So now 50 minus 5 is 45, and this equal to N minus 1 into 3. So now 3 1s are 3, 15s are 45. So remaining term 15 equal to N minus 1. So now here this minus 1 comes in a LHS side, it become a plus. So 15 plus 1 equal to N, then N equal to 16. Is it clear? So they asked N, so N is 16. And now find out Sn. We know that Sn equal to N by 2 A plus L, right? A plus L or A plus AN, both are same, right? So here N is 16, just we find out that one, 16 by 2, and first term they only given, so that is 5, and plus L last term AN they only given 50. So now here 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, so 8 into 5 plus 50 is 55, so 8 into 55 is 440. So here Sn is 440. Is it clear? So write down the conclusion here. Therefore N is 16 and Sn is 440. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. A equal to 7 and A13 is 35. Find D and S13. So let me solve here. Solution. Given that A is 7 and A13 they given, A13 is 35, and here we want to find out common difference and sum of 13 term. Is it clear? So as we know that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here A13, so A13 equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D, because here they given A13, that's why. So A13 is 35 and this equal to A is 7 plus, so 13 minus 1 is 12 into D as it is. So now here 35 as it is. This 7 comes in LHS side, it become a minus 7, and this equal to 12D as it is. So 35 minus 7 is 28, and this equal to 12D. So now here D equal to 28 by 12, right? So here 4 3s are 4 7s are. So therefore D equal to 7 by 3. Is it clear? So now they ask S13. So we know that Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. So now they asked S13. So S13 equal to 13 by 2, and a first term they only given, that is a 7. The last term is 35, and now 13 by 2 as it is, and 7 plus 35 is 42. So here 2 ones are 2, 21s are. So remaining term 13 into 21. So make this multiplication, we got 273. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore D is 7 by 3 and S13 is 273. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. Given A12 is 37 and D is 3, find A and S12. So here given A12 is 37 and a common difference is a 3, and we want to find out A means the first term and S12, sum of 12 terms. So let me solve here. Given that A12 is 37 and common difference D is 3. They given these two only, and we want to find out A and S12. So as we know, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here they given A12. So here n is replaced by 12. A12 equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D. Is it clear? So A12 is 37 and this equal to A plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into D. D is 3, right? So now 37 as it is, and this equal to A plus L1 into 3 is 33. Then A equal to this 33 comes in LHS side, it become a minus. So 37 minus 33. So 37 minus 33 is 4. So here A is 4. A equal to 4. Right. So now we know that Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus An. A plus An or A plus L, both are same here, right? Here we want S12. So S12 equal to 12 divided by 2. N is replaced by 12 and A plus A12, right? So now 2 ones are 2 6s. So here we got 6, and A, just we find out that A is 4 plus A12 they only given, that is 37, right? So 6 into 4 plus 37 is 41, and 6 into 41 is 246. Is it clear? So write down the conclusion here. Therefore A is 4 and S12 is 246. Is it clear? So well students, look at the next question. Given A3 is a 15 and S10 is a 125. Find D and A10. So here they given third term A3 is a 15 and S10 sum of 10 term is 125 and we want to find out common difference and A10. Is it clear? So let me solve here. Write down given that A3 third term is 15 and S10 sum of 10 term is 125. So here we want to find out common difference and A10, right? So as we know, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here they given third term, so a3, n is replaced by 3, so a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Is it clear? So now here a3 is 15 and this equal to a we don't know, keep as it is, plus 3 minus 1 is 2d. So call this equation 1. So now and Sn equal to n by 2 in a bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So here they given S10, right? So S10 equal to n is replaced by 10. So here also 10 by 2 and 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Any doubt here? So now S10 they given that is 125 and this equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So here we got 5 and in a bracket 2a as it is plus 10 minus 1 is 9d. Is it clear? So now 125 as it is and this 5 comes in a LHS side, it become a division and this equal to 2a plus 9d. So here 5 ones are 5, 525 is a 125. So write down remaining term 25 equal to 2a plus 9d. So call this equation 2. So look at the equation 1. So here 15 equal to a plus 2d. So write down here 15 equal to a plus 2d. It is equation 1. So look at the equation 2. The coefficient of a is 2 here and here the coefficient of a is 1. And in a equation 2 the coefficient of d is a 9 and here the coefficient of d is 2. These are not equal. So I will make here equal by multiplying 2 to the equation 1. So write down here on multiplying equation 1 by 2 we obtain. So write down 15 into 2 is 30. This equal to 2a plus 2 into 2 is 4d. Call this equation 3. So write down here on subtracting equation 3 from 2 we get, what is the equation 2? So look at the equation 2, 25 equal to 2a plus 9d. So equation 2 is 25 equal to 2a plus 9d and equation 3 is 30 equal to 2a plus 4d. So now make a subtraction. So opposite symbol, 25 minus 30 is minus 5 and this equal to plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled and 9d minus 4d is 5d. So both side 5 get cancelled. So here d is minus 1. So we got D, that is minus 1. So now here from equation 1. So what is equation 1? So look at here. Equation 1 is 15 equal to A plus 2D. Equation 1 is 15 equal to A plus 2D. So here 15 as it is, A plus 2 into D is minus 1. So now 15, this equal to A, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. This minus 2 comes in LHS, it become a plus. So 15 plus 2 equal to A, then A equal to 15 plus 2 is 17. So A is 17 here. So now find out A10. So A10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So here A is 17 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into D is minus 1. So 17 minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So A10 is 8. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore D is minus 1 and A10 is 8. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next question. D is a 5 and S9 is 75. Find A and A9. So here they given D. Common difference is a 5 and sum of 9 term is a 75. And here we want to find out A and A9. So let me solve here. Given that common difference D is 5 and S9 is 75, and here we want to find out A and A9, right? So as we know, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So here they given S9. So S9 equal to n is replaced by 9. So here 9 by 2 into 2A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So now S9 value they only given, right? So that is 75, and this equal to 9 by 2 into 2A plus 9 minus 1 is 8 and D is 5, they only given, right? So now 75 as it is, 9 by 2 as it is, and here 2A plus 8 into 5 is 40, right? So now 75 as it is and 9 by 2 is also as it is. In these two term, 2 is a common, so take outside. So remaining term, so 2 comes outside means A, plus here also 2 comes outside means we got 20 here. So 2 into 20 is 40, 2 into A is 2A, right? So now 2 get cancelled. So write down remaining term here. 75 equal to 9 into A plus 20. And now here 3 3s are 9 and 3 25 is 75. So remaining term 25 equal to 3 A plus 20. Is it clear? So now 25 as it is. So this equal to 3 into A is 3A plus 3 into 20 is 60, right? So now this 60 comes in a LHS and it become a minus. So 25 as it is minus 60 equal to 3A. Any doubt? So now make this subtraction. 25 minus 60 is minus 35 and this equal to 3A. So now A equal to 35 by 3, right? So A is minus 35 by 3. Is it clear? So now AN equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we want a9. So a9 equal to, a is minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 into d is 5, they only given. So now minus 35 by 3 as it is, so plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5. So this is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5 is 40. And now here take 3 as a LCM. So here multiple by 3. So minus 35 plus 43 is a 120. So here minus 35 plus 120 is 85 divided by 3. So here a9 is 85 by 3. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore a is minus 35 by 3 and a9 is 85 by 3. Is it clear?